this week we are working on for violins, they're D string notes, and violas and cellos, you're going to be working on G string notes. Okay, so violins, D string. Our open D string, when you play no fingers on the D string, open D is under the staff. Okay, you can think of it as ducking under the staff. Okay, so open D, ducking under the staff. Line 1, when you step up from D, then you get to line 1, which is E. Okay, second finger on the D string is F sharp. Now remember, the sharp has to go on the right side. We say the letter F sharp, but when you write it on the staff, it looks like sharp F. Okay, so if you write the letter, it's F sharp, but then when it's on the staff, sharp goes first, then the note, sharp F. Third finger on the D string is G. Second line, okay, line 2, and then space 2, it's hey, hey, second space, A. Fourth finger is the same, second space A, as open A. Okay, remember your fourth fingers are the same as the next string over. Okay, so that's your D string notes. You're going to be drawing treble clefs. Now, some of you, don't forget, right here in the instructions, it says draw a treble clef and then draw the note. Treble clef, then the note. So you need to be practicing drawing your clefs. Okay, so draw your treble clef and then the note over here. On the second page, then you have to draw the treble clef, draw D, E, F sharp, G, A, and then write the notes. Those circles are kind of small. I should have made them a little bit bigger. So write kind of tiny. Then on the last page, it's a composer story, and you can learn about one of the composers and all the D string notes. Okay, so violins, that's it for you guys. Violas, G string, violas and cellos. Let me grab my eraser. Okay, so violas, here's your alto clef, and we're working on G. Okay, so open G string is the bottom space. There's G. First finger on the G string. Step up from G, and you have A, line 2. Step up from A. B. That's second finger on the tape is B. So we have G, A, B. Third finger, the middle line. This is an important note for violas. Why? Because sometimes we call this the C clef, because it's showing us where C is. So that middle line is C, third finger on the G string. Then what's your fourth finger? D, same thing as open D. Okay, so don't forget, you guys as well need to draw your alto clef and then draw the note. Okay, practice those G string notes. Okay, next, cellos. Draw your bass clef, big dot, half of a heart, don't touch the bottom. Your 2 dots. Okay, G string. I think of this as the ground floor. So here's the treble clef, the alto clef kind of is here in the middle when it's on the staff. The ground floor, the bottom line of the bass clef is G. When we step up, first finger, A. Then we go up to third finger, B. And then fourth finger, second space, is C. So practice drawing your bass clef on each section of the empty staff and then draw those letters in there. And then you guys also have a composer worksheet. So theory 1, it's an easy week for you guys. So learn those D string notes for violins and G string for violas and cellos. And that's it. Have a great week. I'll see you guys next week.